Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. I received this question. Someone asked about boiler care here in UK. I want to show you how to get your boiler cover. And good job. My boiler care is actually coming to end. Okay. Last year I had a boiler cover with British Gas BT, okay, and the quote I received last year was £144.04, okay, and this year unfortunately the renewal price they gave me was 192.112, okay, 192.12p. Okay, 192.12p. So this is I'm not sure what's happened. Nothing. My boiler is not broken or anything. I didn't do any cover, but this is the price, and they gave me. So, and this is coming to end. Okay, in February. This agreement run from February. It will start from February 21st this year to next year. But I wanna, look around. I don't usually, take the price straight away. When they give, this price, I usually go and check. Okay, so what we want to do is to check boiler cover. Okay, we'll go online and look for other providers and see what they can offer us. Okay, just go to search bar depending on what you want. The search bar you want to use. I'm going to use Google, okay, to do this. So type in boiler cover, okay, type in boiler cover UK, okay. So now, what we want to do is we need to use basically just you can do this, okay, can use useswitch.com to search, or gocompare.com, okay. So you can use various platform to do this, okay. So this use switch, okay, and you can see type of cover, boiler cover, and boiler and central heating. Boiler cover covers your boiler and its control, 24/7 call center, so you can immediately arrange a call out for breakdown cover, okay. And also you got boiler and central heating cover, boiler and central heating and plumbing wiring cover. So you just need to choose, okay. So I just went to boiler cover. So first of all, to compare the price, you just need to put your postcode, okay, compare boiler and heating, and you can see we got, now this one is from British Gas boiler and control breakdown cover, okay, and you can see the price. This is a £99 per call out, unlimited call out, and £2.50, okay. So this is the plan. This is also with Scottish and boiler. This is EDF, okay. So basically the cheapest one is actually from Brit. You can see plan boiler cover, okay, and this is a no annual service included, excess per call out, unlimited call out, okay. So this is you will be covered repair to your gas boiler and control, part and labor included, unlimited call out, online engineer booking, okay, the choice of an optional excess, okay. So if you choose this price, let's say if you choose this price, okay, and now you are redirecting to British Gas website, okay. So let's see, these people already are my provider, okay. So let's see, and what got here, okay, view quote. Let's work out your price. Do you have a combi boiler, okay, and make, so we just need to check the is ideal boiler. How old? Less than 3 years, between 2 to 3 years, or 3 to 4 years. We move here. Okay, so 3 to 4 years. Okay, how many radiators in the house? Okay, how many radiators are there in your house? You don't actually have a radiator. Okay, few quotes. Your cover will cost only £3 a month. Okay, you can see your boiler cover breakdown, £3 a month. This means you pay £99 for each complete repair, but if you don't have any repair, then there will be no excess to pay. What about annually? Your boiler cover breakdown cover 36 single pay, £36. Okay, so I want to check previous. Okay, the one I had was home care 1 boiler control included. Okay, include annual service. Home care 1 boiler and control including annual service. So let me see a boiler. Go to British Gas boiler. Boiler and heating cover. Save more on your boiler and heating cover. So put how many years, how many radiator, confirm. Okay, you can see home care price. Okay, £13. Okay, £13.40 a month. Okay, so this is a month for 3 months, or £26 for 9 months, or £281 a year. So this price is actually what they gave me. Okay, so the price they gave me is more compared to this is home care complete. So home care complete got boiler service, boiler and control. Okay, heating, plumbing, drain, and electricity. Okay, so this home care complete. Okay, home care 1. Okay, so what I want to do is go and look for this elsewhere. Okay, so we go and look for this home care complete care shop. So I want to go to Moneysupermarket. Moneysupermarket. Okay, search. Okay, so this Moneysupermarket website. Okay, we want to accept all. Look for home so type of, this is home insurance, deals, mortgage, mobile, broadband, pet insurance, car, credit card. We are looking for boiler cover. Okay, so go to energy. Okay, you can see energy. Then you can see here is boiler cover. Okay, super save on your boiler cover in partnership with comparison creator. Get a quote. Okay, now here we go. Are you on your way to saving money? Okay, what type of cover are you looking for? Home owner. okay, and the postcode. So you put the postcode, okay, then put the address of the house, okay. Your boiler and control are included as a standard in all our policy, and you can add additional feature to ensure your home is protected. Is your boiler in good working condition? Yes. Okay. What make is your boiler? Okay, the boiler is ideal. So the boiler make is ideal boiler, so just need ideal. Ideal. Okay. How the age of the boiler? 3 to 4 years. I mean, it's not quite 4 years old, so it's we said 3 years old. Okay. Has your boiler been serviced in the last 12 months? Yes. Okay. Do you want an annual service? Yes. Will you like to add central heating system? Will you like to add central heating? Yes. Would you like to add plumbing and home electricity? Yes. How do you want to see your result? Okay, so annually usually cheapest way to pay. Monthly often a little expensive as you may pay interest. So we'll see check annually, okay. And what excess will you pay? None. Okay. And the email address is here. Okay, let's go. So let's see the price we get from here. Okay, and we'll go from there. You can see, so here is the price we got, 315, okay, from EDF. Okay, and the smart cover 189.00, and also this home rescue 227, and smart cover 259. So, and we are just can see the cheapest price we got here is 189.0. so there's not really much difference in terms of I got 192.12 with BT. Okay, and so let's just looking around, can see what is included here. So this is EDF, 3 months half price. First 3 months you pay £15, remaining 9 months you pay 30 pounds. It's incredible. So this is how to get the quotes. Okay, you get the gist. So the price we got, the cheapest price we got here is you can see the total for this one is 288, and this total for this one is 252. The total for this one is 216. The total 276. This one is 455. 388. This one is 315 from ADF. 275 from Plus Heat, and 259 plus Smart Cover. 227 from 24/7 Home Rescue, and this one is 189 from Smart Cover, no excess. And so this actually is select more for you to see. Okay, so this one is it drawing. So this one, okay, is boiler, annual service, heating, plumbing, electricity, and accidental damage is not included. But this one is annual claim. You can claim up to 2,500 from the cost. Maximum cost per claim is 500. Okay, zero excess. Okay, and the way this work is you go to the site. Okay, so this is 189 Smart Cover. So this is the cheapest I can see here. and which cover the boiler, annual service, heating, plumbing, electricity, and accidental damage. What cover any sudden, unhospitable, and visual damage which has not been caused on purpose. Okay, this one is not included. So if you go to the site, then what you need to do, you just need to put your details, your date of birth, then you do the payment. Okay, but this is how to get this. So this price is actually the price I got is $189, a little bit cheaper compared to the previous quote or from the one I was given. This one is home care one, £60. Actually, I got £60 excess with this one. Okay, and annual direct debit discount, which is £12. So the total including premium is 192.1712. Okay, so guys, this is how to get this boiler cover. If you're happy with this process, you can see the price we got. Okay, so just need to go through it again, but this is how to get the boiler cover you need for your own home. For your own home is $189. Okay, and you can see all the details of things with 11 quotes found. Okay, so this one is moneysupermarket.com. Thank you very much. If you're happy with this process, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to get your boiler cover or check the price elsewhere. Okay, thank you.